Welcome children in bio class. Today in bio class I am going to teach you mutation. Children, you have studied in the previous classes about mutation. Mutation is a sudden heritable change which alter the phenotype of an organisms. It is due to alteration of DNA sequence. As the result of it, genotype and phenotype of an organism change. Hugo de Bridge used the term mutation. When Hugo de Bridge was working and he studied evening primrose, Oenothera lamarckiana, he observed some phenotype change, and that phenotype change was heritable. Children, you should know mutations are two types. One is spontaneous mutation and other is natural mutation. Spontaneous mutation originate spontaneously in nature. They are produced by naturally occurring mutagenic agent. Their frequency of occurrence is very low. Induced mutation, they are induced artificially. Therefore, induced mutation is also known as artificial mutation. Induced mutations are produced by subjecting organism artificially to mutagens. Their frequency of occurrence is higher. So, induced mutations is used for producing the new varieties of the seeds and crops and for bringing the variation in the research work. So this I told two types of mutation, spontaneous and induced. Spontaneous mutation is natural mutation, induced mutation is artificial mutation. There are many types of mutation on the basis of changes occurs in gene, chromosomes or in the genome. So there are three types of mutation. First is gene mutation, second is chromosomal mutation, third is genomic mutation. Gene mutation is also known as point mutation. Chromosomal mutation is mutation due to structural change in chromosomes. And genomic mutation, this mutation is due to variation in chromosome number. So you have to study in detail about this gene mutation, chromosomal mutation and genomic mutation. Gene mutation is by the deletion of base. There are nitrogenous bases, adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. If one or more bases are deleted, insertion of base, one or more base introduced, inversion of sequence. So sequence of nitrogenous base inverted and replacement of base pair. So one base pair is replaced by another. Chromosomal mutation. This type of mutation is due to structural change in chromosomes. It is also known as chromosomal aberration. Deficiency or deletion, duplication, translocation, and inversion. These are the different types of chromosomal mutation. Other is genomatic mutation. Genomatic mutation is of two types. One is aneuploidy and other is euploidy. In the chromosomal mutation, in the genomatic mutation, there is change in chromosome number. So number of chromosomes change. Then variation in chromosome number of a whole genome. If there is one or two chromosomes is going to change, there is loss of one or more chromosomes or addition of one or more chromosomes. So that is called aneuploidy. And when variation involve entire set of chromosomes, so that is called euploidy. Aneuploidy, when there is loss of one or more chromosomes or addition of one or more chromosomes. If loss of one or more chromosomes, that aneuploidy is called hypoploidy. If there is addition, then that is called hyperploidy. In the euploidy, there is variation that involves entire set of chromosomes. So their entire set of the chromosomes are going to change. So that is euploidy. Euploidy is of two types, monoploidy and polyploidy.